Hello, my name is Ashley Winnagel, and I am an early literacy coach for Clinton County RESA. The purpose of this screencast is to highlight free online resources to access high-quality, engaging text for students in grades kindergarten through third grade. Today, I will be talking to you about a resource called FlyLeaf. At the onset of the coronavirus pandemic, FlyLeaf created an online portal of free decodable books and have recently extended access through the 2020-2021 school year. I'd like to take a few minutes to show you the site and the resources that are available. To access the site, you'll go to flyleafpublishing.com. Once you are here at the home screen, you're going to click on Free Online Materials. Once you are here at the free online materials, you can use the menu bar to access the resources. Whether you go to student or instructor, you will be able to access the books. So let's go to the instructor section. And from here, you can use the menu to navigate, or you can scroll down to see all of the sets. So looking at the menu, the drop down here, you can go by each series and then see the different parts. Or you can scroll down to go in order through from part 1 on. The sets are organized by a phonics scope and sequence, and each part says the phonics focus for that set of books. As you can see, the books include vivid illustrations, they are engaging, and they include relatable topics. The reading portal is also very easy to use. So we're going to click on this sample one here, Jen's Best Gift Ever. And when you are here in the reading portal, there are arrows to click through page by page. The students also have this same feature, or all of these features. At the bottom, you can click the arrow to go all the way to the back or all the way back to the beginning. And then these 4 squares up here will show you all of the pages in the book. Every time you click something, it opens a new tab. So to get back, you just go back up to the top of your screen and go back to your original tab. Students can access these books for free from home and use them in an asynchronous format, or you can use them in a live session with students. Each book has accompanying work pages that you can find by clicking on homework, and also tools to use with a smartboard. For an additional cost, you can get teacher's guides to go with each text, but I find the books themselves are incredibly valuable for early readers. I hope you will be able to use this resource with your students. Please reach out if you have any additional questions. My email address is here on the screen. It is awinnagel@ccresa.org, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.